In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop staying silent in meetings and start speaking up when your ideas actually matter. I lead a team across 4 countries, and I see this all the time. Smart people don't stay silent because they have nothing to say. They stay silent because they're still editing the sentence in their head. And by the time it feels perfect, the moment is gone. So here are 3 things you can do in your very next meeting. And the third one is the simplest, but probably the most powerful. Number 1, stop editing in real time. Someone asks a question, you have an idea, but instead of speaking, your brain starts working. Is this the right way to say it? What if I'm wrong? Maybe I should wait. And suddenly, someone else says something close to what you were thinking. Here's the shift. Speak before your sentence feels perfect. You don't need perfect wording. You need a useful idea at the right moment. Because if people never hear your ideas, they'll assume you don't have any. Number 2, prepare one contribution. Most people walk into meetings and hope they'll find something intelligent to say. Don't. Before the meeting starts, ask yourself, what's one useful thing I can contribute today? It can be an observation, a question, a recommendation, just one. Now you're not sitting there wondering, when should I speak? You already know what you want to add. You're simply waiting for the right moment. And that changes the way you enter the room. Number 3, make it easy to speak. This is the one most people underestimate. Sometimes you know exactly what you want to say, but you don't know how to enter the conversation. So you wait, and then the moment passes. The solution? Stop inventing a perfect opening. Use a simple entry phrase. For example, one thought? Here's what I'm seeing. Or, can I add something? That's it. The phrase gets you into the conversation. Your idea does the rest. So before your next meeting, remember 3 things. Stop editing, prepare one contribution, and make it easy to speak. If you want to become the kind of professional who speaks with clarity, gets heard, and is remembered when opportunities come up, subscribe to Speak Like a Leader. I'll see you in the next one.